everybody. This is to anybody on YouTube that sees this video. Has anybody gotten any cell phone video footage from anybody that's been taken to a FEMA facility? I haven't heard or seen one video that says this is going on or that's going on. Anything on the news? Where are they putting these people? And why? You know how many people have cell phones. Everybody's got a smartphone, except for me. Very few of us have flip phones. But the point is, it's a little concerning, and maybe because I haven't looked around enough. Maybe some of y'all have seen some reports. And I'm just asking for anybody to please comment if you know of anybody, excuse me, keep losing my voice. I reject that. Ugh. Anyway, let us know if you know of anybody that's in one of those, wherever they're, I know they're having problems housing all these people that they're rescuing out of Houston and now Louisiana, and I just would like to know if anybody has heard from anyone that was rescued. Alright, that's all I'm going to say, and I, excuse me, appreciate any information anybody could share. Alright, I'm going to end this now, and I thank you, and I'll speak to you later.